tragic incident has been reported from Bagewadi village in Mundargi taluk of Gadag district, where a booth-level officer engaged in the special intensive revision exercise died of a suspected heart attack. The deceased has been identified as Ratnamma Baligar, who is 43 years old, an Anganwadi teacher from Bagewadi village who was also serving as a booth-level officer for the ongoing SIR exercise. On July 18th, Shirahatti MLA Chandru Lamani visited the village to review the progress of the SIR exercise. During the visit, he held a meeting at the residence with village leaders, officials and staff members to assess the ongoing work. According to reports, Ratnamma Baligar was appreciated by the MLA for the way she had been carrying out her responsibilities. However, a few minutes later, while having tea, she suddenly collapsed. She was immediately rushed to the hospital, but she reportedly suffered a heart attack and died on the way. The exact cause of Ratnamma Baligar's death will be confirmed only after the medical report is released. It also remains unclear whether the pressure of the SIR exercise contributed to any health complications. Officials say clarity on this will emerge only after the medical report and the findings of the concerned authorities. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.